Good morning student, class 7 chapter 5 do until loop statement। ये हम रीड कर रहे थे एंड सिंटैक्स हमने आपको रीड करने के लिए दिया था। एंड नेक्स्ट है द कंडीशन इन द do loop can also be placed at the end of the loop. In this case, the working of the loop remains the same, except for one difference. When the condition is at the end of the loop is executed at least once, even if the condition is false. Here is a QBasic program to print even numbers from 2 to 10 using do loop while and do loop until. Using do loop while using do loop until ये रीड कर लीजिएगा। एंड नेक्स्ट है for next statement. The for next statement provides an desired way to create a loop. It is used to repeat a block of statement a specified number of items when the number of represents in is known. Behind this looping statement is perfected for while, when and do loop. ये है सिंटैक्स, ये रीड कर लीजिएगा। नेक्स्ट है इन द एबव mentioned for next statement, control variable is a numeric variable that control the loop and hence in also called the control or the index variable. Its value changes every time the loop body gets executed. Step value is the value by which the counter variable is incremented or decremented every time the loop body is executed. The step value is optional and can be entire positive or negative. Consider the following example based on for next loop. In the case on step value is given. ये सिंटैक्स है, इसे रीड कर लीजिएगा। एंड ये टाइपिंग करने के बाद हमें इसका आंसर ऐसे मिलेगा। ओके, नेक्स्ट है यूजिंग द स्टेप वैल्यू. The control variable by default increase by 1. We can use the step value to specify the value by which the control variable's sound changes. Consider the following program. The control variable n changes by 2 every time the body of the loop gets executed. The step p value can be a negative number. In this case, the invent value is greater than the final value. We can also use any real number as the step p value in this example. ये रीड कर लीजिएगा आप लोग। नेक्स्ट है exiting a loop. For exiting for a loop, exit for statement is the for next loop and exit to do statement in the do while loop or the do until loop is used. ये एग्जाम्पल है, इसे रीड कर लीजिएगा। एंड नेक्स्ट है nested loops. A loop can be used many times in a program. A loop within another loop is called a nested loop. Rules for using nested loop. We can have maximum 9 loops nested within a loop. The inner loop must be within the outer loop. Each loop within the next must have its own for next statement. The loops sound should not cross each other. The inner loop in executed first and then the outer loop. ये सिंटेक्स है, इसे आप रीड कर लेंगे एंड इसके आगे हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में रीड करेंगे एंड आपका होमवर्क है रीड चैप्टर 5.